You're not bad with money. You're just too busy to babysit it. And every busy week, something slips. The transfer you meant to make, the bill you forgot, the savings that never moved. What if the plan just ran itself? This is automation. Your money doing its job on schedule, whether or not you're paying attention. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact order to automate everything: bills, savings, investing, so it all happens on payday, before you can touch a dollar. Get the order wrong, and you'll overdraft. Get it right, and you'll barely think about money again. Here's the whole system on one line. Your paycheck lands, bills get paid, savings moves, investing happens, and only what's left is free to spend. Notice spending comes last, not first. Most people have this backwards. If the only automatic things in your life are streaming and shopping, your money is automated, just for everyone's priorities, but yours. It starts with giving every account one job. Checking catches your income. A bills account holds what you owe. Savings guards your reserves. A brokerage account grows your future. 4 accounts, for jobs. Run everything through one account, and you can never tell what's safe to spend. Give each a role, and the system becomes something you can see and trust. But clean accounts do nothing until money moves into them. And that starts with one setting most people never touch: direct deposit. It's the starting gun for the entire system. Your employer drops your pay into checking, and from their automatic transfers, push every dollar to its job before you even see it. Deposit once and transfer from there. Split your paycheck at payroll, or do both. Any of them works. The point is the money moves on its own. Stop waiting until month end to see what's left. Let payday pull the trigger. Now protect the bills that keep the lights on. Rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, minimum debt payments. The non-negotiables get funded first, automatically. The trick: move bill money right after payday, then let each payment fire on its due date. The cash is already waiting when the bill hits. Autopay from an empty account is how you rack up overdraft fees. Autopay on top of a small buffer is how you sleep at night. Here's the mindset shift. Treat savings like a bill you owe your future self. The emergency fund, your sinking funds, a home down payment, a trip. Each gets its own automatic transfer every payday. Order matters here too. Fill emergency savings first, then sinking funds, then everything else. Safety before the nice-to-haves. And just like that, the monthly argument disappears. You're not deciding whether to save anymore, only how much. The step that quietly builds wealth. Put investing on a schedule. A slice of your paycheck funds your 401k before it ever reaches your bank. Automatic transfers feed a Roth IRA or brokerage, then buy the fund for you. Careful. Here's the mistake that costs people years. Moving cash into an investing account is not investing it. Money sitting as cash does nothing. Make sure it actually buys the fund. Theory's fine. Let's put real numbers on it. Say $4,000 of take-home lands across 2 paychecks. $2,200 locks in for bills. $500 to savings. $400 to investing. $300 to sinking funds. That leaves $600 to spend freely, guilt-free, because everything important already happened. The first paycheck covers half the bills, half the goals, and your first 2 weeks of spending. The second finishes the bills, finishes the goals, and hands you the rest to spend. Because the goals move first, you literally can't accidentally spend the money that was protecting your future. The order does the discipline for you. One warning: automatic should never mean invisible. Switch on the alerts: low balance, big purchase, bill paid, deposit landed, card balance. 30 seconds of setup, and the system tells you it's working. That's the safety loop. Automation acts, an alert confirms, a quick glance catches any mistake before it grows. Trust the system, but verify it. Automation should lower your effort, not your awareness. Real life isn't tidy. Bills and paychecks don't always arrive in order. So keep about a month's worth of buffer in checking. It absorbs an early bill, a late paycheck, a weekend that delays a deposit. An account kept at exactly zero margin is fragile. One timing hiccup breaks it. A little buffer makes the whole thing bulletproof. Automation handles the repetition. You just handle the judgment, 10 minutes a week. Glance at balances, confirm the transfers ran, check the credit card, adjust next cycle if something changed. That's it. Now the biggest trap of all. Automation makes any plan happen faster, including a bad one. A forgotten subscription, a transfer that's too big, a due date in the wrong spot, an overdraft, Automate those, and they repeat every single month. So always design the flow first. Then, and only then, automate it. Don't rebuild everything this weekend. You'll quit halfway. Just pick one high-value move. Choose one savings goal. Pick the payday. Set the transfer. Turn on one alert. Then check it after a full cycle. One win, and the rest gets easy. Here's the truth motivation won't tell you. Motivation fades. A system doesn't. It just keeps running. That's the whole game. Make one good decision, then let it repeat without effort. No more slipping, no more month-end surprises. The plan runs whether you're watching or not. Subscribe, and next time we connect the full beginner journey, from your first paycheck all the way to investing and protection.